prove them, and me a report you. And me a go down at the police station, and me a report you for terroristic threat that you sent to me on WhatsApp. I have those too, and I'm calling your probation officer, and me a go show him the voice note them where you send me on WhatsApp. Yeah. Me a go send your probation officer. Can you call your probation officer on my phone, you know? And you block the number, you never delete the number. Have the man number on my phone. So all you want to do all of them madness. That cheese are on probation. Me not upon probation. You're upon a whole probation. For your robbery, you want bag of something then where you go upon and you still want to go down the road with me. Remember some I did have to go so low, you know. I never have to go so far because honestly I was not even paying you any mind. But you want to go upon live or you want to call CPS. That not really bother me because a grown adult know that you calling CPS with all these lies. CPS cannot just come take my picnic justice. So that's why I not really even make that bother me. I not have to do nothing in a private. I want she knows that I do it already. I want she knows that I do it already. Remember me have an immigration lawyer who don't get paid. Remember say me have my lawyer. Me have a family lawyer, criminal lawyer, and an immigration lawyer. I'm going to call my lawyer today. Cheese, you're going to learn. You're going to blood clot learn. I make me see when them lock up your blood clot and you come for beg money. I see which social. Them people them not going to help you. The people them not going to help you. When, guys, me not even take the CPS thing serious. Because if you know the CPS can't take a picnic. They can't. They can't just come at your house. And thank God me a clean girl. My place ever clean. Food ever in. My baby not have no scar. And you know what the worst thing to why I want the woman to come? Because when she come, I'm going to show her that video, yeah, with the whole her vice in the background. You didn't know that the woman can turn around and lock up you, to not even me, the CPS woman can lock up you for the live. I put out information with her name and her vice on the live. You didn't know that? You didn't know that the woman can turn around and lock up you for your vice that you have on the life with your false information them. Your information them where you can't prove. Because if me buy your ticket for go to New York and come back and me pay taxi fare go up on the road all the time, every morning they get up and smoke and my money pay for that. And my money pay $500 to $600 worth out of grocery. My money pay $500 to $600 worth out of grocery. My money buy spend taxi fare go everywhere. My money buy spend and buy the weed them where you smoke for the whole fucking week where we there in Miami. Everything you want and you want this you want that for buy. My money Uber eats it. Yeah? When me give you my money for go buy my medication, me give you $150. Because I never know how much medication, but I know if you fuck it would pass $150. You claim to say it was $90 for the medication them, and my money still give and you still take my $50. You know, return it back. Me not get no receipt. Me not get no change. Me not get no receipt and me not get no change. And then now, when you forgot your yard, $100 for pay for your suitcase. I don't know what you pack in that suitcase to make that suitcase so heavy. My suitcase bigger than yours and a $40 me pay. And your suitcase was littler than mine, $100 you say the people them say you have to pay. I never prolong the argument. Them act like me not hear what you talk about. Because I never go give you no $100 for pay for no suitcase. Because your suitcase can't heavier than mine and your suitcase flickler than mine. And you don't have nothing in your suitcase. When if a guy your yard now, why should I look on you and give you something when we've been asked you from the get-go how much you would have charged me? And I like me say me a give a thing, you know, it's a different if me say me a give a thing. This is coming like a business. Friendship not come in a business when it come on to me. Business not come, friendship and business no mix. If a business, if a friendship. So when I ask you how much money you want, why you never tell me how much money you want? You tell me say you don't want no money, you just we come me and your friend. So if you tell me say you don't want to have no money, but yet still me still provide everything where you need. You're never in need of nothing. If you want a rum, you ask how much liquor me buy them and give you. Your son, the over the yard, and your baby father cuss, and your baby father get up and go with you, nothing never in the house to eat. You did want Uber food, so Uber some food to your son, and my money do it, and me never did have to do that because I'm not responsible for your son. I'm responsible for you who there in Miami. Me go all out of me way. I buy how much food for your picnic days now at the yard because you're the baby father.